She's late. Again.
I arrive when the camera deserves me, darling.
We're over budget! Then stop feeding the extras.
I'm not jumping again!
You jumped yesterday!
Emotionally. Breaking Pawllywood news. Tempers rising. Snacks missing. Who took my sandwich?
Back in my day.
Ugh, that be ka da ka ta. We're losing daylight! Relax. It's Pawllywood. Drama runs on batteries. Action! Wrong angle!
We're never finishing this movie.
That's Pawllywood, darling.
Forget the script. This is the movie.